In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import a Word document into Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to convert your Word files into fully editable Confluence pages without copying and pasting your content manually. Start by signing in to Confluence and opening the space where you want your document to be added. Click the Create button at the top of the page. In the Creation panel, scroll down and select Import to begin importing an existing document. Next, choose Word document docs as the file type. If your file is saved as an older doc format, open it in Microsoft Word and save it as a docx file before continuing, since Confluence supports the newer format for importing. Now upload your document by dragging and dropping the file into the upload window or by clicking Browse to select it from your computer. Confluence will begin processing the file, and larger documents with multiple images or tables may take a few moments to convert. Once the import is complete, your document opens in the Confluence editor as a new page. Most headings, tables, images, and basic formatting are automatically converted into native Confluence content, making everything easy to edit and update. Take a moment to review the imported page. Check that the headings, tables, images, and spacing look correct. If anything needs adjusting, simply use the Confluence editing tools to make changes before publishing. When you're satisfied with the page, click Publish to save it. Your Word document is now a fully editable Confluence page that your team can collaborate on, comment on, and update whenever needed. That's how to import Word documents into Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.